We're at Charleston Speedway tonight. We made it, just barely. After our Dukes of Hazzard moment, we are in the 111 hatch of Travis's. Hill draw was okay. We used our second row outside, I believe. So, alright, we'll see how that goes. again, 2 times in a row, 2 weekends in a row. But it's also super exciting because our friends,
Nate had a heck of a drive.
He got second, so we finished a 1 and 2 tonight.
The Honda hatch is bad.
Yeah, the Honda hatch is bad, like you said. But yeah, we're super excited.
Congrats to Nate.
Big congrats to Nate. I think, is that your best finish?
Yes, that's Haynes Racing's best finish.
Yes, Haynes Racing best finish.
We had a red flag for a long time when Kelsey came up to the fence. And the only thing I asked her was, who's in second? And she said, Haynes. And I thought 2 things. Like, well, 1, that's awesome. He needs that finish. And 2, I was like, well, we got to go now. Somebody's coming. We just gave her all we got.
We did. Yes, huge congrats to them. Thanks to all of our sponsors.
Huge shout out for Travis just to let me take what I need when I want it.
Yes, literally last night.
My car.
The Dukes of Hazzard style, that was fun.
And literally just
Travis said, take the hatch.
All of the offer I asked, he was like, absolutely.
So, huge shout out to him. 111 Salvage, DM Injury Law, Dahmer's tuning.
Taylor.
I mean, there's just so many people. New Bowl Lanes for us.
Yeah, huge.
Andrew and Tori, Nick Garrison. Yeah. I'm sure one of my pictures posted.
But we
got it.
I'm at home for this. We're going to go for shows.
All right, thanks everybody. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Where are we going next Friday?
I think we're going to Mississippi to race the 13th.
North and the South of FFR are gonna combine, and we are gonna race Skylar's 13 car.
We'll plug it in.
A 2-day show. So
Me and her have to leave. We have to leave early Friday.
Yes, we do. We got an 8-hour drive, but it's gonna be a super good video because the North and the South are gonna come together.
And it's really like, honestly, in my opinion, besides the dome and maybe a couple other times, I met Mailman for sure a couple, 3 times. But like,
I mean, we FaceTime, we call, we text, but like
Austin, like even Skylar, which I think Skylar's gonna be over here, but like, I haven't really got to like formally meet them. And I think that'll be really cool.
Yeah, we're pumped, we're excited. So we will catch you all down south on Friday. Peace out. Once again, winning ice cream. Yeah.
Coming out.
Instead of pulling the tranny, we pulled the motor.
In training.
Together. What's it need? What's wrong with it?
Something on the clutch for sure.
But we had a change of plans. I know we said that we were going south. Not going south. 95% chance of rain the entire weekend. And we live 8 hours away, so we'll just find another time to go down there. Even if it's not for racing, I figured we'd find a time to make a trip. So, yeah, getting this ready for, I guess, Saturday now. Going back to Charleston. Nobody's racing. Yeah, nobody's racing us Friday, so. But that's okay. So, yeah, we'll, I guess, Charleston Saturday. Keep you guys posted on this project.